Okay. So do you want to discuss the project first?
So I was looking at that, and we still have to wait for him to, I guess, technically approve it. That's why it's not due till next week.
Oh, and he. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I would rather like get that done as soon as possible. But yeah, he's holding us back because obviously they need to review it and make sure that this is the right stuff. So.
Okay.
So yeah, as soon as he does that, it lets us know. I'm not sure how he's gonna let us know. I've been checking like it just the grades and see when he grades that.
Oh, that's what I'm thinking. Like that, it'll be like is the just in his feedback.
Yeah, but as soon as that is done, then we'll be able to do that. But yeah, I realize we really can't do anything because he might say we have to do something else, or I don't know. But
okay. All right, let me pull this quiz up.
But I did the same thing. I'm prepared this time. I went ahead, did the homework, and feel comfortable about it. So.
Well, I only completed half the prep questions. So.
Well, seems like we even each other out enough to get the
it done
group work.
anyway.
Yeah, that works.
I'm hoping this is a quick one.
Yeah.
Okay. Quiz. Have you pulled it up already? I guess probably.
Yes. Yeah, I have it ready.
Okay.
Question 3: which set of hypotheses is appropriate for addressing the research question?
Okay, let's see here.
So that would be the D, or there's only 3 options. C, the gender and voting are independent, and then are not independent, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because it's always the same in these, right? Like.
Yeah, that's the one major thing that it talks about in the textbook. It's always going to be independent and non-independent. Question 4: what is the equation for computing the degrees of freedom? C, number of rows minus 1 times number of columns minus 1.
Yes. Okay. So that's C, right?
Yes.
Okay, what is the correct choice for degrees of freedom for this problem? Does that mean like solve the degrees of freedom, I guess?
Yeah.
-1, number of columns -1. Okay, so there are.
So 3?
3 rows. Because it's the number of rows and columns of data, right? Or
yeah. Yeah, it doesn't include the total.
Okay, so we have 3 rows of data and 3 columns.
Or 2.
Total.
There's 2 columns and 3 rows.
There's 2 columns. I have Republican, Democratic.
3 columns and 2 rows. Just female and male.
Oh, because it doesn't include the total. Okay, so column 2.
Yeah.
Okay. So
that's
1 minus
2 times 1, which is 2.
Or 1 times 2, yeah. There we
go. Okay.
Are the requirements for conducting a chi-squared?
Yeah, chi-squared test.
A chi-squared test for independence met by this data set? Okay, so they need all the counts have to be at least 5.
No, definitely not. Or wait, I'm confused by this. Is it asking that there's like 5 rows or columns, or just mean that the
No.
value is 5 at least?
Every value has to be at least 5.
Just the value, like in each column and row? Okay, so then yeah, there's at least 5 expected counts in each cell. That'd be the A16, right?
Yeah. Okay, what is the value of chi-squared test statistic for this problem? Okay, let's
So how do we calculate this?
see. That's where I'm going back. Okay, so Excel instructions, it says in the Excel sheet categorical data analysis. Okay. Go to the third tab. Not the hat one. Where is that? I don't have that one. Okay, so I guess that's new. So I have to download that.
Let's see.
Wait. So is it the categorical data analysis underscore hat? I guess, because that's the only one that looks like that.
Oh, yeah, that's right. The categorical data analyst hat, chi-square, and we enter them in the numbers in accordingly. Let's see.
Okay, is it 16.204?
Yeah, that's what I got.
Okay, the value of the p-value for this problem is point, well, if we're supposed to round to the third decimal place, so let's see what, 0, 0. Yep.
Yep.
Which of the following statements best describes the outcome of this study?
Wait, so you got 0.000 as in 30, right?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, because first time I did it for some reason I put in something wrong, but I thought I had 0.01. But yeah,
Okay.
that's right. So less, obviously less than alpha.
So
I
then
always have to look at this.
I know. I'm like, I gotta try to remember. So if it's less than alpha, then we fail to reject the null. I'm guessing because I want to know if I'm right. I feel like if I keep looking every time, I'm gonna be wrong.
So there's sufficient evidence to suggest that they are not independent.
Okay, so okay, so is it insufficient evidence that they are independent? Is there one of those?
Well, there, C says there's not enough evidence to suggest that they are not
They're not
independent.
independent. That's not what we want. Okay, so fail to reject the null when it's less than alpha. Is that right?
No, oh, no. So we
reject the null.
reject it, yeah, when it's
If
less
the
than
alternative
alpha.
hypothesis is true. Wait. Sorry.
You're fine.
Okay. In this set of questions, we will review the reasons for seeking chiropractic care, study from the reading. Okay. So the research question for the study is, do people in Europe, Australia, and the United States seek chiropractic care for the same reasons? So location, null hypothesis. Okay, the conditions for conducting a chi-square test for independence are satisfied. That looks true.
Yes, true.
Degrees of freedom for this problem. So columns 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll go with 4 times 1, 2, so 8.
Yeah.
Okay, what is the value of the chi-square test statistic for this problem?
So I got 7.436.
Okay, I have to type all the info in. Okay. 7.436.
Yeah,
Okay.
7.436. And I got 0.490 for P.
P value.
Yeah.
Okay. Yep, me too. 0.490. Okay, which of the following statements best describes the outcome of this study? So it would be the same outcome, right?
No, P is is greater than alpha in this one, so we failed.
0.4, not 0.04. Duh.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we failed to reject. Which would mean B would be true. there's insufficient evidence to suggest that it is not independent.
Okay. Awesome.
Sweet.
All right. Now I can take a nap. Cool. I might do the homework though. Just to get done. All right.
Sure.
Well, I guess once he grades that, if you see it before I do, will you text me and just because I don't know if I'll get. I would assume that we'll both get the same thing. Like it'll show up in both of ours, right?
Yeah, I would think so, or he
If
would
it's in the
email us
feedback.
both about it, I guess. I don't know.
Okay.
But yeah, I'll let you know as soon as I see it. I'll be checking it just in case, too.
Okay. Sounds good. Thank you.
Yep, thanks.
Bye.
Have a good day.